Principle number 12 is do the work using about 10,000 hours. I want to talk about the 10,000 hour thing. The guy that wrote that, I think that was Jim Collins. He just made up the number. He admitted it later. Like, I just made up the number, but it's about 10,000 hours. Look, if you do something wrong 10,000 times, you don't get any better at it. My friend Joel Bauer used to say, practice does not make perfect. You heard that before? Practice makes perfect? No, it doesn't. Perfect practice makes perfect. If you practice something and you do it wrong every single time, like my golf swing, it doesn't get any better. So the whole 10,000 hour thing it was made up, but when the book was written, it was still a thing. And some people can master something in a few hundred hours. Some people it takes a lot longer. But doing the thing the wrong way for 10,000 hours does not make it perfect. You want to do it the right way. So do the work, gain mastery at that work, and do it until you gain mastery.